most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeron.
Well, we say good morning, everybody. A lot of clouds here over New Oxford. It is raining. It is drizzling out in spots, and it's just another dreary morning. Stubborn clouds are going to be the rule today, as they have been here for much of the week. Gorgeous, though, tomorrow. Finally, some nice weather ahead, and even into the weekend, it looks good, although storms will return here on Sunday ahead of a cold front. This is Willow Hill, and again, you get the sense. Low clouds, right? And some fog shrouding the mountain in the distance in Franklin County. So that's where we stand right now. And you can get the sense, too, we have this northeast flow. And that's why, at least for this morning, too, we are probably going to be seeing areas of drizzle coming off the coast and associated with the stalled front and the outer bands of Erin. Temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s right now. We've got temperatures that are actually a little bit cooler, just a few degrees, but a little bit cooler than yesterday. Dew points are low as well, dipping into the 50s for many of us this morning, and a little bit of a breeze from the east. Now look at Philly, 15-mile-an-hour winds there. Obviously, that makes sense. They're closer to the coast. 75 degrees today. Sun late, if we're lucky, and I'm not so sure we're going to be. I really think these clouds are going to hang around until tonight. Then we get clearing skies. And look at the temperature tonight. With winds from the north, we're going to dip down to 59 degrees. So, again, here is Hurricane Erin, situated out in the Atlantic, starting to make its turn now to the north and east. But look at the dry air that is going to be pushing in on the backside of the hurricane. We mentioned this early in the week, that typically what happens is these hurricanes pull in sinking air and drier air on the backside. That's going to benefit us, and it will, just not today. So when we zoom out and we show you what's happening here, there's a lot of drier air back toward the Ohio Valley and the central part of the country. Here's the hurricane, and so we may get some clouds and some areas of drizzle on the northern edge of this, but that's about it. Now this evening, partly cloudy, maybe. I still think the clouds are going to be stubborn, even into this evening. So yes, you can get outside, but don't expect a lot of sunshine. Look at here's 3, 4, 5 o'clock, still socked in with clouds. It's not until maybe 7 or 8 o'clock that we start to see some breaks, and then by tomorrow, things improve, and I do expect it to be a really nice day on Friday, and even into Saturday, it looks really nice. Mostly sunny and seasonable here to start the weekend, which is good news. Winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour today. A little bit of a breeze at times as this hurricane starts to pull away from the coast. But this is a big storm. It's a Category 2, winds at 105 miles an hour, and now starting to make its jog to the north and east. But again, look at the size of this thing. It's mighty impressive. And as it starts to pull away, it will remain a Category 2 for quite some time, even into the day tomorrow. But notice how far offshore it is tomorrow, and that's going to leave us with a very nice day. So the extended outlook shows the next best chance of some rain after a little bit of drizzle today will be Sunday. On that day, we have a few showers and storms. 10-day temperature trends in the mid-80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So look at this. Temperatures, again, we peak over the weekend near seasonable. But after that, we go back down again. A little taste of fall next week. 84 on Saturday with a southerly wind. That's going to set the stage for a few thunderstorms on Sunday with a high of 82. And then next week, we're back into the mid-70s again. I'm telling you, this second half of August has been a treat because we have certainly been hot and humid all summer long. And I was about sick of it.
Were you?
I'm not alone, by the way. So everybody that I've talked to says they're ready for a change, and we've had it. It's been nice.
When does the pumpkin spice latte come out?
They're out.
Oh,
they're
it's
out.
out.
You know what? I saw our
It's
good
out.
friend Kayla Schmidt talk about it yesterday. She
Oh,
got
she
one.
got one.
So
Okay.
yeah, they're ready.
It's pumpkin spice season.
I'm ready too. Got to go get one. I may need one tomorrow morning in the pool in the dunk tank. Okay.
Yes, maybe one of our several dunkers tomorrow will bring one in for you.
That would be nice. That would be nice.
nice.
Yeah,
It's
they're
not gonna
gunning for me
happen.
though. I know it. Yeah.
Let's